Good afternoon, David here with Weekly Week Look. Today is Thursday 25th of April. Video going out at 4:30 in the afternoon, and as usual we're looking at November 2013 UK wheat chart, and we've got the daily bar chart in front of us. And I said towards the end of April I'd do another long-term look at the charts and see what we can come up with, and this video is on that edge really. I've just done another look at the forming pattern that we've got here in front of us, and we can see that we've clearly got a triangle formation. We've got three lowering peaks here, one in January and the last one in March, and obviously you can see that the market is still in its consolidation period, going sideways between the high of 190 and the low of 180. Obviously with a triangle, this is what forming is called a bearish triangle. And obviously the theory of a triangle that has to break out before the end. I've got the end here forecast as being £20 a tonne. Therefore, if we do get a breakout of the 180, we could see an initial drop of £20 a tonne quite quickly down here. That would take us down to 160, which happens to be a gap here left in August of last year, and that would be our gap fill. So obviously, you know, I expect more of the same until we get the breakout of either 190 or 180. If it's 180, it's bearish because obviously we've got this formation of a top pattern triangle that's been forming now for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. So it's going to be quite a significant move. Also, if you look on this chart here, I could just quickly breach the 200-day moving average, which is obviously a major trend changing if we break that, and it's coming in at 181. The 50-day moving average here is coming out at 185, so we've only got £5 a tonne gap between the two. If the 50 crosses the 200-day, then we will get a death cross, and that is not very good for the market. So obviously all things, as I've been pointing over, are all coming into this sort of crescendo point. Not to say we are going to get the breakout. I mean, it could break out to the upside still, but obviously the signs are that with all these factors that my leaning is towards the bearish angle, and you know, once we do see this break of 180, it will go down pretty quickly, but obviously if that holds again, then we could see another bounce up to test 190 before we then go back down again. As between these two levels, I'll put an update. Thank you very much for watching.